How to start your own clothing business in India. So let's get started. Thinking of starting a clothing brand in India? Here's a step-by-step guide to make it happen. Pick your niche. In which category you want to do business? Ethnic wear, kids wear, men's wear or street wear? Choose one niche or category. What type of clothing do you want to sell? Create a business plan that includes products, research about market, competitors, pricing, cost structure and goals. Set your own budget. You can set up your home-based business which can begin with 50,000 rupees. Big stores and boutiques may need minimum 10 lakhs of budget. Government registration forms, MSME portal, GST logo. Register your brand with government organizations like MSME, GST and trademark. Build your brand identity, logo, tagline, packaging. Create a unique logo and consistent brand identity that speaks to your audience. Choose where to sell, storefront or online. Storefront will make you physically present and more reachable to customers. Online presence such as Instagram Reels, influencer in fashion, e-commerce scrolls will create a strong online presence. Influencer collaboration is getting more popular these days. Now marketing strategies. Promote using Facebook ads, influencers or even WhatsApp marketing. Offer deals to get your first customers. Track what's working. Track growth, sales, feedback, new designs. Ready to start? Like, subscribe and follow for more.